YouTube? It's your boy Pop-Pop, and I'm here with Nengs. Say hi. Hi. And today we're going to Disney Springs.
So check out the Dreams at Soar drone show.
But first, we're going to stop at the world's famous Boston Lobster feast.
For all you can eat lobster and seafood,
Desserts and plenty of fun. Hope you guys enjoy.
because I sure will.
Me too.
And oh yeah, just in case you didn't know,
And this is for the Pop-Pop and Neng Neng.
and Neng Neng.
So now is day 2. What I call it again? It's about Disney Springs. It's day 2, and Dad just bought this whole feast. I did not know they have red waffles.
Red velvet waffles for the kid. You know I had to get Pop-Pop the red velvet.
And Neng Neng got chicken and fries.
Chicken and fries, the lobster baby. The lobster rolls. Oh, look at the Fredo though. Fredo look crazy. Chicken.
Let's eat. Oops. One eternity later.
Yeah, hold on. The bling bling. What's up, guy?
What's up?
Chill.
Look at my shoes that I got these for Christmas.
Hold on, let me see. Where'd you get them? Nah, bro. Them Dexter Laboratories. The Mellows, huh?
No, here's Barbie here.
And she is Barbie. You guys go grab?
Yeah, look at this big lobster.
Where we at? Hold on, wait. Yeah, okay, where we at? Where we at?
Lobster feet.
Bye.
I'm so cold in the
Guys, let's hurry up. I'm so cold.
Hi guys.
So hi, this is Pop-Pop. If you guys know him, he's from Pop-Pop and Neng Neng, Planet Pop-Pop,
This is Neng Neng from Pop-Pop and Neng Neng.
and that's the Neng-a-ling. And we're here to throw down. So this is for all of our lobster lovers. If you guys want some lobster and you want a lot of it, let's see if this is the place.
What's up?
What about you, Neng Neng, my Princess Barbie?
I'm putting a fish.
Huh?
I'm putting a fish right there.
I love it. Thank you for her food. Oh my god, that salmon is really good.
Mom, show them me now.
Okay, so we're gonna do it. We're gonna start with the crab cake.
I dipped it in the butter.
Tell me what you think, big guy.
Pretty good.
Pretty good.
It has that texture.
Yeah.
Slimy things. Wait a minute. Wait.
It has the texture of slimy things.
Like, it has a texture. Like when you eat it, it's like soft.
It's soft.
Little things just like.
Really soft and fluffy because crab
Yeah.
is really light. I want you to see your eating the salmon. What do you think, big guy?
It has texture, slimy, good.
Slimy and good. So because it's a seafood restaurant, I think he's gonna call everything slimy.
Good.
That's nice.
I'm about to just try it.
I'm actually get my fries.
Oh, Caesar salad and pie. They even have sushi up there, which is kind of surprising. I didn't know that. And then I had the oyster Rockefeller, have the full lobster, and they even have lobster mac.
Oh yeah, Boston Lobster feast, unlimited lobster.
My
It's
hood.
crazy.
I look fine. I look good.
Here we go.
Yeah.
Oh, she's whispering. What are you saying?
Nothing.
Golden bear.
Now she's saying on my mama, on my hood, on my fine.
What hood you? What's the hood? What's the hood? I mean, you sung it too? No.
She said it in my ear.
She probably did because she was creepy about it.
What the heck even is a hood?
You don't even know.
Nina said that she's skipping on air.
She is sitting on there. I love you, Golden Bear.
Tell
Alright, so guys, say peace out. Say we see you at the next part, y'all.
I'm so full right now.
A few moments later.
You was geeked up? No. Because
We here.
we made it. Where the heck are we at? We somewhere, guys, right? Are you really?
You see, I'm moving different because I'm freezing.
You do. You moving different.
This freeze. I'm freezing right now.
Are you really?
Yeah.
You cold?
Yeah.
You fly?
That's the animal.
You need an animal. What's up?
You can try a little M&M. That's cool.
No, I think we could build our own. They changed their boots. Oh God. Come on, guys. Oh, Papa, look what they got. Nene, look what they got. This is where the witch got the apple. It's the evil witch, Nene.
There goes another Snow White.
The evil witch.
Don't eat the apple, don't eat the apple.
King.
Dad,
Yeah.
you know there's a store right outside. That's their headquarters, right?
You seen it?
Marvel.
It's the HQ. That's
And
it.
you know where we're going tomorrow?
Where?
Marvel.
Exactly.
So
Hold on,
it's
bro.
gonna be double places.
Oh my God!
I think we're gonna meet Spider-Man. I hope we meet Spider-Man 2 days.
We about to see. Oh, look, she making cotton candy. Look, pop up, pop up. That. Pop up. You ready? Pop up, meet you at the HQ. Oh no.
Wait, what is it?
It's
Oh, I can control it. Look.
It doesn't have any stones.
No.
By themselves.
You don't got no stones. Where's your stones?
Look.
No stone.
Yeah, I am Iron Man.
Or powerless Iron Man.
Nene, that's Kai.
they
That's Black
got?
Panther sister, Nene.
I'll try this one. Look. Problem and everything.
And there she is, my teacup angel.
Hi, princess. 1, 2, 3. It is.
Then we're going back to Sunshine Churros. Let's go.
Churro King, back to business. What's up, Churro King?
This time I got an Oreo churro. Mom, I choose Oreo because I love churros. And guys, plus we're going to meet Spider-Man tomorrow.
You ready?
I'm ready to see Spider-Man. What do you like? Plus we're going on the Spider-Man ride.
Spider-Man ride. Guess what, Papa? I've never rode it, so I've been wanting to ride it for a long time, so this is gonna be dope.
Yeah, and we're not going to Dr. Doom, right?
No, we might. What's wrong with it?
No, we're gonna jump 1, 2, 3.
But you've rode rides like that before.
I only rode one ride. Remember at the circus? Remember? I said 1, 2,
The
3,
Adventure
and then
Dome.
drop my
It's just like the Adventure Dome. So you rode the Adventure Dome one, and Dr. Doom's the same thing.
No, it's not. It's way more higher.
We're gonna find out. I'll be the judge of that.
And we're not going in there.
We going.
No, we're not. If we go in there, my soul is about to drop.
You'll be right, kid.
No, I'm not. The girls went to go get coffee while me and the camera the cameraman dad went in a big
Oh, we made it. Yeah. Creepy little man.
It's creepy.
Like what?
Creepy.
It's pretty cool.
Is this a ride?
It feels like it.
Yeah, is it a ride?
No.
Are we going in here?
Huh?
Are we getting something from here?
I'm about to get something.
What is it? If you put Miss right here and say delight, Miss Delight from Poppy Playtime.
Oh my God, this is on your brain?
Yeah, what is it? I don't like this cake, it's red. Peanut butter crunch. If you put Captain right here, say Captain Crunch.
Bruh, chill.
Well, you cracking jokes like Neng Neng today.
If you see this, Mom,
Look. And hot coffee. I'm sorry. He's drinking his coffee. Come on, we gotta hurry up. The drone show about to start.
Just where you go as we present Disney Dreams That Soar.
Come on, everybody. Here we go.
The ninth wonder of the universe! The one who's gonna be flying elephant! Dumbo!
That's not a moon. It's a space station.
Hello, I am Baymax, your personal healthcare companion. Flying makes me a better healthcare companion.
To infinity.
There's a place beyond the sky where your stories come alive, and with a leap of faith you might find your spirit guide. A whole new world full of hope, where the beginnings never get old. You can light the way that seems impossible. If you're feeling small, you can fly away. A new adventure's coming your way, and tomorrow's always brighter than yesterday. Let's go right where you wanna be. The magic feels like family, and you can wish upon a star. Dreams that soar. Dreams that
Got a little baby. Got a little baby. Butter. Nene, let me see you skip on air.
Another one.
The milk, why buy the cow? Because then you gotta feed the cow, and the cow eat a lot. You feel me? Moral to the story, kid? Don't buy the cow, get the milk. Yeah, just get the milk, kid.
He's definitely buying the cow. Sometimes you get too much milk and it
If you had the milk spoiled, then you get a new cow. Well, I mean, you can't drink spoiled milk. Pop-Pop, moral of the story is, get multiple cows. Oh, look at Sharon. Rapunzel. Wait, Nene, so how was Rapunzel?
I got this little
Pretty cool.
over here. I got the pineapple thing.
Warning alert, warning alert. Anybody getting the Rapunzel, run far, far away. It's like old plastic.
Nene is good, right?
Try it.
Do you feel like Rapunzel? Okay, so we came for the Little Mermaid and they didn't have it today. But you know what, Nene? It's all good. We will come back and get the Little Mermaid, okay?
Yeah.
Now we know where it's at. We can find it next time. Papa Neng! Papa Neng, come on. See the better animatronics?
Look at this.
Nene, you hear the song? What song is it? Can you sing it for me? I know when you sing it. I already got you on tape singing it. And I'm gonna put it in the video right here.
Up where they walk, up where they run, up where they stay all day in the sun. Wonder if he wish I could be part of that one.
Pop-Pop, look how big a dinosaur's foot is. His foot is bigger than you. Look how big the skeleton is, Pop-Pop. We out. Ah!
Are you ready for it?
I finally found my fountain. Now I can make my way. Here goes nothing.
What the heck?
What's your name? Look at your sneakers. And where are you from?
Oh, California.
Florida? You know, I've never been to Florida.
Hey,
No, I don't think I'm from my love.
Magic Fountain, we was wondering, she wanted to see if you can help her with the wish. She wants to transform into a mermaid.
Oh, well, that's above my pay grade.
You heard that?
What you can do is make a wish and just see what the universe does.
She says you can make a wish. Okay.
It's up to the universe. I'm just a fountain. I squirt people.
Nene, you said make your wish and see if you can become a mermaid again, okay? 1, 2, 3. Listen.
Yeah, your wish was accepted.
Nene, your wish was accepted.
Your wish was accepted by the universe.
Thank you so much, Fountain.
Have a big jacuzzi at home in case you get those little flappers.
Thank you.
You're gonna have to go somewhere. Okay, thank you.
Thank you,
Bye.
Fountain.
I wish I was a mermaid. I wish I was.